So this is a very beautiful living space. As you can see, it's very spacious. So this is our very beautiful and spacious kitchen. This is a master bedroom. You can see it's very luxurious. Hello everyone and welcome back to Housey. Myself Nakesha, and in today's video I am going to give you the sample flat tour of the Canary Sky Oasis, which is located near Sai Chowk, Patil Nagar, Balewadi, Pune, and is developed by the Kunal Group. As you can see, I am standing at the actual location of the project, in which behind me is the sales office of the project, and in front of the sales office you get the Sky Oasis road that directly connects you to the Balewadi road. But before I show you the sample flat, let me tell you what Housey is. Housey is India's first real estate platform which has connected its home buyers directly with the builders, giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike other current property listing platforms where your one inquiry is distributed within multiple brokers, Housey connects you directly with the builders, giving you genuine information, transparent pricing and hassle-free home buying experience. So what are you waiting for? Book your dream house today through Housey. Now let me give you the project's overview with the help of project's 3D model. This project will be constructed on 4.25 acre of land parcel having 4 towers, in which you will be getting 2 basement plus ground plus 32 floors, having 3BHK and 3BHK Duplex premium residencies. This project is located near Sai Chowk, Patil Nagar, Balewadi, Pune, जिसकी कनेक्टिविटी में आपको मिल जाता है एडिगॉन इंटरनेशनल स्कूल which is 2.8 kilometers away, Balewadi Fata which is 3.2 kilometers away, and Bane Road which is 4.5 kilometers away. Now, let me tell you about the amenities of this project with the help of project's 3D model. This project has over 30 plus luxurious amenities such as swimming pool, banquet hall, gym, squash court, tennis court, yoga room, sit-out area and kids play area. So, as you can see, I am standing at the entrance of a 3 BHK duplex which has 1574 square feet carpet area. So this is our entrance, where just at the entrance you get a video door phone and a digital door lock to your door for security purposes, and then this is your entrance's lobby where you can set up your decorative items or shoe rack. Now let us proceed to see our living and dining space. So this is a very beautiful living space. As you can see, it's very spacious and has gotten your couch setup space right here. And in front of your couch setup space, you get your TV unit setup space. And just behind it, you get your dining space where you can set up your dining table and enjoy your lunch and dinner with your family and friends. And then you also get an attached balcony to it, which has anti-skid tiles, Teflon glass railings and is 3-side cover. Now let us check out the kitchen of this flat. So this is our very beautiful and spacious kitchen which has 2 very good features in it. The first one being is it's a completely ready to move in kitchen which will be provided to you from the builder's side, and it has gotten sky loom mood lighting which is also a wellness lighting which is a roof light lighting too, and you get a remote switch or you can download an application on your phone which will be told to you at the sales office. From the remote switch you can control the lightings which you can turn it on or turn it off, and then you can also set it according to your mood, which can be sunrise which is already here, and then this is your afternoon lighting. You can also increase or decrease through this remote switch. You get 2 granite platforms parallel to each other with a gas stove and a sink attached to your platform, and a dry balcony attached to it with a sink and platform provided with it, and where you can set up your washing machine and utilities. Now let me show you the first bedroom, but before I show you that, let me tell you, you get your storage space right here beside your staircase, and you also get a powder room right in front of your kitchen which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting and designer vitrified tiles. So this is our first bedroom. You can see it's quite spacious, has gotten a lot of walking space, has gotten your bed setup space right here, and also an attached window to it for ventilation and natural lighting. And it has also gotten a walk-in wardrobe space right here, which is quite spacious and luxurious, I might add. And you also get an attached washroom to your bedroom, which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting, designer vitrified tiles and shower glass partition. Now let us check out our second bedroom, which is on the upper floor. This is what your view will be from the upper floor to your lower floor. Now before I show you the second bedroom, let me tell you that just in front of your second bedroom you get a common washroom, which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting and designer vitrified tiles with also shower glass partition. So this is our second bedroom. As you can see, it's quite spacious, has gotten a lot of walking space around your bed, and then this is your bed setup space with an attached window to it for ventilation and natural lighting. And then this is where you get your wardrobe setup space. Now before I proceed to show you the third bedroom, which is the master bedroom of this flat, let me tell you what Housey provides you with. Housey provides you with sample flat videos, actual location tour, pros and cons of the project, EMI and payment schedules and 360-degree location tour. All of this just under one platform. So what are you waiting for? Register now for free and book your site visit today through Housey. Now let us check out our master bedroom. So this is a master bedroom. You can see it's very luxurious and very spacious. As you can see, you get a lot of walking space right here with your bed setup space and the walking space surrounding it, and you also get an attached balcony to it, which has anti-skid tiles, Teflon glass railings and is 3-side cover. You also get your walk-in wardrobe space right here, which is quite luxurious, and then you also get an attached master washroom to it, which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting, designer vitrified tiles and shower glass partition. So everyone, this was a sample flat tour of the 3BHK duplex of the Canary Sky Oasis, which is located near Sai Chowk, Patil Nagar, Balewadi, Pune, and is developed by Kunal Group. To know more about this project, click on the link below to download your e-brochure and price sheet, and for more such videos, like, share and subscribe to Housey's YouTube channel, and please do visit www.housey.com to book your dream house today.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.